In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Google Wallet app. So if you want to log into the Google Wallet application, it is actually very simple. First of all, open the Google Wallet application on your device. You can see over here I've opened it. So in order to log into this app, all you need is a Google account. Initially, you'll be logged into the Google account that you're already logged into this device. You can simply tap on the profile icon. You can see over here you're already logged into your Google account, so you'll not have to log into the account. But for example, if you want to log into another Google account, what you can do is simply tap on this option, switch account. Now after that, you'll be able to see all the account logged into your device. You can simply tap on any of the account in order to log in. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. Likewise, you can also log in by adding new account. For that, tap on the profile icon again. Now tap on this option, switch account. After you do that, tap on this option, add another account. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log into your account with another Google account. Simply enter your email or phone over here and tap on this option, next. After that, enter the password and you'll be logged into that particular Google account. So like this, you'll be able to log in. So that is how you log in Google Wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.